welcome to Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 11th chapter of Standard 6, 4 Rupees, written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, and before the actual start of the chapter, let us have the discussion of word meaning of this chapter. The first is drag. Drag means get behind. Okay, pull. Heir loan, it means legacy, inheritance or parental property. Scary means shivering and scared. Scrap, mark, scratch, etc. Apprehensive, it means worried. Scornfully, without respect, it means talk rudely. Okay, now we will have the short story of this chapter in very short. Okay, now read and now listen. This is the story about Ranga, who was a lazy man. Have you ever had to do something under pressure that you are really scared of doing? Talk about in the class. It means suppose you don't want to play football. Okay, you are scared, you fear about playing football, and anyhow, by the way, or by any compression or by force, you have to play the football. And in the pressure, you have played the football, and now you have done the very good job in playing football, and that was the unexpected thing you want and you got. Okay, talk in the class. And how you will feel in that case if you don't expect anything. Suppose you appear in the examinations and you expect that I would come third rank, I will secure third position, fourth positions, but you got the first positions, and that was the unexpected, and you will really surprised and will be very, very delighted. Okay, next, how do you think you will feel if you add something brave and difficult and nobody believed that you had done it? How did you think you will feel? I will feel very delighted and surprised if you add something brave and difficult and nobody believed that you had done it. Okay, and I will tell him that I have done it, and by scaring still I have done it. Okay, now listen. Market road in a village, scene 1. This is the story about Ranga. A house owner, his servant, and his mistress. Okay, these 4 characters were the main in this chapter. And this chapter begins when the Ranga was moving on a street and searching for something. In that case, the Ranga wife said, "If you come today without earning, I will not serve you meal. I will not serve you food today." Okay, and now Ranga is searching something, what I will do today, how I will earn money. And these were the situation, and at that time a man talk him or disturb him. Would you like to do something? Are you searching for something? Then Ranga said, yes, I can do anything. How much you can pay? Then he said, the servant said, whatever you want. Then the Ranga said, okay, I am ready. Then the servant said, my house owner, have fell down the brass pot that is his heirloom, and continue from 4th generation and that is fall into the well, and that is 60 feet deep. First of all, Ranga denied to go inside such a deep well, but after all, after compelling, when the house owner gave him the sufficient meal to eat, and now after that, the Ranga feel that very relaxed, and then the house owner said that what the money you want. He said 2 anna, okay. Then 2 rupees 2 anna. Then after that, Ranga started to went into the well, but after going 20 feet, he said it is very dark. How I would be there? It is nothing is clear here. And after that, he went the house owner, his servant and his mistress, praising him, inspiring him to go down, go down, go down. Come on, come on, come on, and well done, well done. And in this way, lastly Ranga said, I cannot go beyond 40 feet deep. Then the house owner said, I will give you 4 rupees. Okay, 4 rupees. Then he goes inside more, and after that he said, it is enough. Then the house owner said, I will give you 4 rupees 60 anna. Okay. After that, in Ranga says, Ranga anyhow he managed and went inside the 16 feet deep well and brought the brass pot. Brass pot. And after that, he demanded his money. He demanded his promised money. It means 4 rupees for 60 anna. And the house owner gave him only 4 rupees. And then Ranga demanded 60 annas. Then his mistress said, the house owner's mistress said, it is enough. How you dare to talk about this to my lord, it means my husband. Then Ranga said, sir, you have promised. Then the owner said, it is enough for you, and if I know, then I will not promise you. Okay. Then Ranga went away, and when the Ranga went away to his home, his mistress said that it is 7 o'clock and I am cooking food, and it is time for cooking food, but you have came here showing your face. Then Ranga put the 4 rupees in her hand and said, I have earned 4 rupees today and I am very tired today. Okay. Then Ranga's wife asked him, have you steal it? Have you steal it? It means you have stolen somebody's money today. It is it is 3 days earning. That's why he asked. Ranga said, no, I have not steal somebody, but I have done the unexpected job going inside the deep of 60 feet, and after that I have got the 4 rupees. So go and cook the meal and give me the food, and I want to relax today. Please don't disturb me. And in this way, their story ends, and see the last para of this chapter. Ranga, you want to know how I earned this money, shows her cousin's bruises on his elbows and knees. I had to go down into a 60 feet deep well to find a brass pot at a great risk to my life, and you stand here shouting at me. Be thankful that I was not drowned today. And this word was said by the Ranga to his wife, and said, see, wife, mockingly, it means making joke, never knew you could go near a well. It means I have never known that you want to go to, you can go inside a well as deep as 60 feet. It is impossible for you. Likely you have been scrapped and pulled the money out of somebody's packet. It seems that you have scrapped, you have stolen somebody, you have pickpocketed somebody. Okay, and in this way the chapter ends, and you have to read it carefully, line by line, find out the word meaning, then read the chapter. Now it's time for the moral of this chapter. What we have learned? We have learned from this chapter that if you want to earn money, then you have to do the work hard. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that that nothing is impossible. Whatever seems impossible for you today, it is possible for you, but you don't want to, you hesitate, you don't dare to do it. If you dare to be secure the first position in your class, of course you will get the first position in your class. Nothing is impossible. It is the human being that is achieving, doing or getting anything that exists in this world. Okay, even on the going on scaling the mountain, it is also the work done by the human beings. So it is not impossible anything. So if you want to do anything, then you must have to work hard and without having any hesitations. Okay, of course you will get the success. Thank you for joining my class. Like, subscribe and don't forget to share my channel. Take care.